are pleased to show you the 2012 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, front-wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.